In this section, we will take a look at table rows. In many programs that use tables, the table is already predefined for you. So meaning that it contains the rows, columns, and cells that will hold the table data. In HTML, all of these components must be created. The first step in entering data into the table is to add rows using the table row element or TR element right here. In the example above, 2 rows have been added to the table. Here we have a table element with 2 table row elements. Let's see the instructions. Add 2 rows to the table in index.html. So we created this table element in previous exercise. Now let's go there and create the table rows. Let's create the second table row. Okay, this should be all for this exercise. Let's see. Yeah, it is correct. Now we have a table with 2 table rows inside. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise.